Hey guys, it's me Beagle, and today this is my new group and you can join. So go to my profile, Beagle Kulichi. This is my username. Also find the group in here. This is my group, Beagle Annual Bloxy Games of Beagle Kulichi. But I don't know how to add the game. What is affiliate? I don't know. And this is my shout out. Hi guys, I created recommended games for you, even though though you will like it. Hi guys, if you like pizza and even I like pizza, Roblox is the best updating everything. Enjoy guys. Roblox is the best, updating everything regularly. It can deliver regularly if nobody knows, just tell me. Because Roblox always deliver regular stuff. They already have our outro. Well, what's new on it's Roblox 2019 already. And this is my friend's account. This is my friend's account, and this is my account. You just say hi, and he say hi, and he's in this one say hi. Well, yeah, I changed my username and see. This is Blue Boy, Hello Beagle Gaming Pro, and even though I was murdered by Agnes, I'm almost okay. I cannot say it, but pray. I'm not murdered, but. Hi, I just played New Zealand beta. Did he just guess it? I have my merch here in Roblox. I love my Beagle. Well, even though this is what you'll get, but it's 5 Robux. Well, if you get Builders Club, you can use 5 Robux for this. Police Tooks. Police Tooks is someone's. But why someone's account get deleted for no reason? Police ducks. I think someone loves ducks, and this is the logo that I have. I created from scratch, so yeah, I did not use it. And okay, whatever. This is very blank, and these are the logos. This is my favorite. So they're all t-shirts. I'll create the other one. It says group has ability to create and sell official shirts, pants, and t-shirts. All revenue goes to group's funds. Create or manage the group items. You press this. I'm not going to press. And this is the member. I'm going to make him an admin. Group admin. Sorry guys. Okay. Role set successfully changed. They have 3 admins. They have 2 admins. Oh, although it's already 3. 1 to 3. I gave Blue Boy admin. Also Max and Halo Beagle. Almost same like my username, I changed into Beagle Cool HD as well. Because why? Well, I need to change, but I can't even get Robux right now. And I'm the owner, and full members, and these are admins, and the members are dyosa is the boss. She might be an admin. Not member, it's an admin. So make sure to go to my profile when it's TBC Builders Club. Okay, it's the longest. This is hanging. Okay, it's not hanging anywhere. And here it is. This is the profile that I've got. Ninja Beagle. Beagle Annual Bloxy Games. And you go here, and here it is. This is Poppy's fan group. And it's made by it mates by OME Luigi _38. I joined the cover friend group, and he's cover. And this is Beagle annual bloxy games. I joined Synergy. Synergy, they have Pacific on here. It's 20 quadrillion groups, and the rank is fan. I'm the fan. Duh. Fine. Wow. You guys are tags. No, you're a tower. What the heck? That's rude. But young base, gad, bloop, bloop, blup, 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 swag, break, squad, pink, flame, godfather, mixtape, OMG girls, you're gonna love Guna. That's not how you type. It's Gonna. So okay, this is a little bit inappropriate. At 1,000 quadrillion members, at 1,000 quadrillion members, all the packs will go free. 10,000 TH member will get a personal back rub from me. For me. No, not from you. I mean, yes, it is from you. 1 quadrillion members. Woo! Okay. Back to my group. It has it has 4 members, and this is new. I created just now, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Goodbye.